Hello, first graders, and welcome back to your writing job for today. Today, you get to write your very own captions. And if you remember from yesterday, what is a caption? A caption is a sentence that tells you about a picture. So, boys and girls, your job today is going to be to draw a picture of you on vacation. Be sure your picture has lots of details because then you're going to write 3 captions to tell about your picture. Alrighty, boys and girls, so for you today, I have a picture from when I was on vacation this summer. This summer, I went to the beach with my family, and these people are my family. And we went on a bike ride to watch the sunset. So that is going to help me when I write my labels. What's one thing I could say about this picture? I am going to write the sentence in my very best first grade handwriting. We rode bikes. Because in my picture, that's what we did. So off to the side, you can choose where to put your caption. I don't have enough space underneath, so I'm going to put it on the side. I'm going to write, we rode bikes. Alrighty, boys and girls, there is my very first caption. And what I can do to this is I can put a box around it. Do I need to draw a line to the bike? I don't need to draw a line because remember, a caption just sits near the photo. It doesn't point. All right, what's another thing I could say about this picture? I'm going to say, I watched the sunset because that's what we were doing in this picture. I can put that caption right here near this picture. I watched the sun set. Alrighty, boys and girls, that wasn't my first grade best handwriting, so I'm going to rewrite that. Alright, so I watched the sunset in this picture. That is another caption or thing, or sentence I should say, that describes my picture. So now my job is to write one more caption that describes my picture. I'm going to say, I love my cousins because these people in my picture with me are my cousins. So I'm going to put that caption down here. I'm going to say, I love my cousins. And then I'm going to put a box around it because it is a caption. All 3 of my captions are describing my picture. They're telling me more information about my picture. Alrighty, boys and girls, I cannot wait to see your work. Happy writing!